Hello everyone, this is Vikas Sharma from production department and I am presenting here one of the Kaizens we have implemented last year along with my colleague Rahul. Kaizen is on coupler spring eject assembly. We are representing Abhijit Industries Sanand plant and this Kaizen was carried out in tool room area of our plant. Kaizen theme is to reduce breakdowns and to reduce more setup time. Bhupen sir is our mentor and Mr. Kalpesh and Rahul is our team leader for this Kaizen. Me, Mr. Ram and Mr. Kunal supported to Mr. Kalpesh and Mr. Rahul to implement this Kaizen. The problem area was Omega 150 injection molding machine. We were frequently facing issue of injector coupler and thread worn out during regular production and sometimes during mold loading and unloading. Here we have defined our problem using 5W2H methodology. During mold loading and unloading, coupler rod fitting was a challenging task for our mold setters and time consuming activity. Also, we were facing a breakdowns for it. This incident observed once in every 2 months. Same issue was observed in other molds also. So initially we have choose folding pivot mold of our customer Tata Ficosa for implementing this Kaizen. After setting up our benchmark and target, we started implementing this Kaizen on 8 August 2019 and completed it on 14 August 2019. So to find out the real root cause of the problem, we have used YY analysis method. So I want to describe analysis of this problem. Frequently delay in production due to coupler rod breakdown. Why? Coupler rod thread worn out frequently during regular production. Why? Coupler rod assembly improperly fitted in the mold and machine. Why? Coupler assembly was manual process, so there was chance to lose fitment, misalignment of the rod with respect to machine, and this was resulting thread damage of coupler. So this is our root cause. Now we need to eliminate this manual process of rod assembly. This slide shows the before and after condition of the mold. Initially we were using ejector rod in the mold and machine for ejection system, and rod thread get worn out frequently during production. So we have made a spring coupler ejector assembly for ejection system and fixed it on mold. Now no need of rod anymore. This slide shows the different components which we have used in making this spring ejector assembly. We used a guide for spring and bolt, a locating ring for a spring, a bolt and a yellow spring. All the components were already available in our plant in absolute condition. But if we consider purchasing them from market, then it will cost around 8,500 rupees. So here we have shown the fitment sequence for making this coupler spring ejector assembly. The locating ring, spring, guide and bolt are sequentially assembled in the mold as shown here.
Hello everyone, I am Rahul from Tool Maintenance Department. In this video, we saw that an ejector rod is used to operate the ejectors of the mold. This rod was fitted manually in machine and operators during mold loading, and we were facing an issue thread damage in this condition. video, we saw that the spring coupler assembly is fixed on mold and it is working smoothly with the ejector plate of machine. There is no requirement of separate rod and no breakdowns related to ejector rods. These are the benefits of implementing this Kaizen. We have increased our productivity due to reduction in mold change time and reduction in number of breakdowns. We have saved breakdown related costs. We have increased the safety of our operators by eliminating the manual assembly of ejector rod. And also we have improved morale of our operators by implementing this Kaizen. Here in this slide, we can see that the average mold changing time, which was earlier around 50 minutes, has reduced to approximately 30 minutes by implementing this Kaizen. This is because the manual ejector rod assembly and setting is now no longer required. By implementing this Kaizen, we have reduced the mold change time of this folding pivot mold from 48 minutes to 30 minutes. And also earlier in last 6 months, there were 3 breakdowns reported for ejector rods, but now there are 0 breakdowns. Hence, breakdown cost is also saved. As a sustenance plan for this Kaizen, we have added checkpoint in the PM checksheet of folding pivot tool for verification of the proper working of coupler spring ejector assembly. Also, as a part of horizontal deployment, we have taken initiatives to implement this Kaizen in molds of 150 ton and 250 ton machines. So that's it from our side. Your feedback and queries are welcomed. Thank you very much.